Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on camera on OME TV on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to use your camera on OME TV on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, as you can see, this my camera is working on OME TV, and if you want to turn it on you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software on your device. So guys, do this, and after this open your app store and search for OME TV, and now download and install the latest version of OME TV on your iPhone. And after this open this app and now go to live, and here you can see this the camera is not working right now. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, you have to simply go back, and now you have to simply open any browser, and then you have to simply go to OME TV from here. So guys, here you can see this, and you have to simply sign in your account of OME TV on your Google Chrome from here. So guys, here you can see this. Once you sign in your OME TV account, here you will see the button for camera and microphone. So guys, you can see this, simply tap on this, and from here you can easily turn on or turn off camera or microphone for your OME TV. So guys, you can see this, if I turn it off, the camera will be turned off. So guys, you can see this, and if you want to turn it on, you have to simply tap on this button again, and from here turn on the camera for OME TV from here, and then tap on done. So guys, here you can see this, the OME TV camera is working right now. So guys, in this way you can also use camera on your OME TV on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.